Yeah, I noticed it. She's smelling one of the babies.
What's Daisy Mae got? What's Daisy Mae got? She got babies? You're not her baby no more. You're the big girl.
You're an aunt.
You're the auntie.
Oh, I thought she was an aunt.
That's what it is. Auntie, aunt, same thing.
She's coming over here with me now.
You got babies. You got babies. There's babies.
It looks like she's got one of her clothes.
You better be careful. You better not try to steal no babies.
Come here.